Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset via buttons. To factory reset your smartphone via buttons, we have to enter bootloader mode. To do it, restart your smartphone, and while restarting, press and hold power button and volume up button until you see Android logo. Now, use volume keys to navigate through it. You can boot to system, restart bootloader, or enter recovery or rescue mode. Let's select recovery mode. Now, find factory reset and confirm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.